So welcome guys. We have a question here that we're supposed to look at. It's on bearings. Okay. So maybe first of all, I need to tell you that those of you that may need our contacts, especially for tuitions, extra lessons, you can get us in touch with us on the following numbers. We do not entertain any form of calls where you just call to say you need us to solve your questions. We don't do that. We have a lot of requests of that nature. But if you want to have extra lessons with us, where you have to pay, those are the ones that we can deal with you, not anything else. Please take note of that. So you can get in touch with us on these numbers. All right. So let's continue now to deal with this question. In the diagram, in the following diagram, P, Q, and R are 3 points on the level ground. The bearing of P from Q is 228 degrees. Angle QPR is 72. This angle here. All right. And the R is due south of Q. R is due south of Q here. Okay, which means these are on a straight line here. This is a straight line. Okay, so maybe before we even get to look at the questions, can we do this? You know that the angle on a straight line here, it is 180 degrees. All right. So what about this smaller angle inside here? What about this smaller angle here? So we need to subtract 180 from, we subtract this. To know that one, so this is going to give us 8 here, 12, we get 48. So this smaller angle here is going to be 48 degrees, ladies and gentlemen. Now, you should understand that this is a north and this is a north. So these are parallel lines. So this one is also going to be 48 here. These are alternative angles. All right. So having done that, you can easily find this angle here. It will be very easy for you to do that. Anyway, let's go ahead and find now what we are being asked to do. Find the bearing of Q from P. The bearing of Q from P. The bearing of Q from P is this one here. Okay. So this is going to be, of course, this is a 3-figure bearing. So we need to write it as follows. This is what is going to be our answer here. The bearing of P from R, the bearing of P from R. So it's going to be this one, the bearing of P from R, isn't it? So the bearing of P from R is going to be this bearing of P from R. So there are two ways that we can do this. Okay, there are two ways we can extend this line here. We know that this angle here on a straight line, it is 180. Then this other angle here, if I can extend this one also, this angle here is alternate to this one. When you add these two, what do you get? 72 plus 48. That's 48. What do we get? This is going to give us 0. This is going to give us, when you add this is 7 plus 4, you get what? 11 plus 1, you get 120. So this is 120 here. So we are going to add 120 to this one. What do we get? This is going to give us 0. Here we get another 300. So this is going to give us 300 degrees. So these are the values of these two angles, or these two, the bearings. Those are the ones that we're supposed to get. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe and share. All right.